Hello and welcome back to the Code Shop channel. If you ever wanted a simpler way for customers to pay, Odoo 18 makes it possible with the payment link feature. It lets you share a direct link with your customer so they can pay online straight from their portal. Quick, secure, and super convenient. Let's take a look at how it works.
We'll start by opening the SaaS app and creating a new quotation. For this demo, I'll choose Deco Addict as the customer. Next, let's add some products. I select the conference share and set the quantity to 10 units. Now let's configure the online payment. Under the Other Info tab, you'll see that online payment is already enabled. This option is important. It allows you to request payment from the customer before confirming the order. For subscriptions, it even ensures payments are made before each renewal. Here I'll set the down payment to 15%. Once that's done, let's save the quotation. Now comes the best part, generating the payment link. From the quotation, click the gear icon and choose Generate a payment link. A window appears with the payment details. Since we set a 15% down payment, the amount here is $51. At the bottom, you have two options. You can generate and copy the link and share it directly with the customer, or send it via WhatsApp if that's already set up in your database. Let's copy the link and open it in a new browser tab. This takes us straight to the customer portal. Here, the customer can either pay the down payment or the full amount. We'll go with the down payment option. The customer can then choose their payment method. For this example, I select Demo and click Pay. The payment is processed instantly. Back in the SaaS app, notice how the quotation has now been automatically confirmed and converted into a SaaS order. Now you might be asking, why use a payment link when you could just send an invoice? Well, here's the difference. Sending an invoice follows the traditional process. You confirm the quotation, create the invoice, send it to the customer, and then wait for payment. A payment link, on the other hand, is much faster. You generate it right from the quotation, share it, and the customer can pay instantly. Once they do, the quotation is confirmed automatically and becomes a sales order. This is especially useful when you want a deposit upfront or simply want to make the payment process easier for your customers. And that's it. You've just seen how simple it is to generate a payment link in Odoo 18. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.